Alright. Next mission. Storming. Holy shit, dude. Whoa! What the fuck? Oh wait, so we just need to do without getting... without a fire alarm going off. Got it. Oh shit. What the hell happened in here? Dude, what the fuck? There was no lighting that time. It just exploded. I didn't know there was a meth lab in this house. Oh, they're valuable. Nice. What the? Easy. Easy work. Oh, look, we're getting our room together. Got a little lamp in here now. The door's right there. The bed is set up. I put that there, by the way. Our kitchen's looking nice. Ooh, bombs. Ah, there we go. Oh, what? Did you spend a lot of time working on this car? Yeah! Oh, there's upgrades? Holy shit, dude. When was this a thing? I could have been upgrading this thing this whole time. Alright, so there's actually a reason to look for shit now. Okay. Whoa. Never seen this place so bright and sunny. Help Goran steal at least 3 of his own cars to help him with insurance payout. Alright, so we're stealing cars again. Oh, well, we're stealing cars this time. Yeah, we're not dumping them in water. Now this is the one that's gonna take us a while. Let's fucking go. We've upgraded our equipment quite a bit though, so. What the hell? Look at that thing. It's just hanging out. There we go. That's what the valuables are for. Gotta remember, valuables. Can I just drive this thing off of the... No, I cannot. Okay, so it is fine. Okay, here's another one of our cars. Just need to move all this shit out of the way. There's definitely gonna be a lot of driving in this one. It's easy to see. This is just open? Well, they knew what they were doing at least. Okay, that's not where we want to take it. Okay, wait, so wait, the car's actually tied to this thing? And we can move it? Okay. Can I just take them both off of it together? This is gonna take a fuck ton of time, but it will work.
One eternity later.
Alright. Well, we know where it's at. That was a lot of work. Oh, what's wrong with this thing? Oh, it's missing a wheel. What the shit, dude? Okay, it might only have its front 2 wheels, but I think this thing can make it.
Meanwhile.
Alright. Whew, that was a lot of work getting that up here. Just like that one. Okay. Look at that shit, dude. There we go. Not catching this helicopter. We're driving into the ocean, apparently. 1.4 seconds. Yeah, that one wasn't too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Got a new map. Nice. Oh. Great. Doors are already locked. Let me in. I know how to solve this problem. Okay, I think this is low key like the one we should do last, from the looks of it. It's a nice map. I like this map. For once, we're not doing the marina map like 7 times over, even though I like that one. There we go. Alright. Fire in the hole! Alright. Take 1. Here we go. Drop down here. Grab this one, 360, so we're cool. Jump up here, zip in here, grab that one, be quicker next time. Slide through here, grab this one off the top. Wrap around here, we're at 40 seconds, we're making good time. Just do that to get a little extra speed, some oomph. Grab that, turn around. Do a skip and a hop into here. Come on, come on, come on. 16 seconds, we're running out of fucking time. Jump up here. Hear the helicopter coming. Oh my gosh. Just like that. Do this. Do this all day. First try. 7 targets, most we've done. First try. That's another video in the books. Everything was smooth. We did a good job. Peace out, guys. Going to bed.